Hi, this is Christian Faust with Core Real Estate Properties, and this is your Core Real Estate Minute. Today I'm going to talk briefly about home inspections and why they're important, whether you're a real estate investor looking to buy a property, whether you're a buyer looking to buy your own home, or whether you're a seller and you're looking to sell your property. Today's real estate transaction, everyone will involve a home inspection because there's just so many different things that could go wrong when you're buying usually what's your biggest asset. And home inspections, usually you're going to look for the plumbing is in good shape, the electric, the roof, the air conditioning unit here down in Southwest Florida, maybe a termite inspection, and possibly mold if there looks like there's some moisture damage. So those are all important things to look for and to have your home inspection company do when you're getting a property inspected. And I also believe even if you're a seller, you may want to think about getting your own home inspection done. This way, you're not surprised because you know that buyer or the buyer's bank is going to require an inspection be done. This way, you know what's going to come up on it, and if there are some major things that need to be addressed, you can get those fixed or repaired before you're listing your property, which will help the sales cycle go quicker and maybe even allow you to get a higher price for the sale of your home. So I hope you found this Core Real Estate Minute helpful.